Hey guys, welcome to Corvette Garage. I just got done, well, a friend of mine who came in and helped. We just got done putting the C5 back together finally. So cam is in, everything's put back together. This is going to be a short video. I'll give you a comparison of stock, well, not completely stock, but stock cam, and then the cam I put in. So the cam I put in is a Jegs 200582, the Sloppy Mechanics Stage 2 cam, whatever you want to call it. It's a 228, 230, 585 lift on a 112 LSA, and this is not tuned yet. I'm going to try to get it tuned here as soon as possible, and I'll just show you the car right now. But when I leave this video, it'll have the sound of the car and everything, with it running. I'll do a comparison of stock versus after it's been cammed and not tuned, and I'll do a video after it's been tuned. That probably won't be till another week or two because got to try to make an appointment with a tuner, so it'll probably be a while. So I'll just show you the engine and how everything came out. I'll show you some stock parts. So so there's no leaks, nothing. We didn't have any issues. The steering rack was kind of a pain in the ass, but other than that, so I ended up replacing wires. I put the Z06 red wires. They're Denzos. Got them off Rock Auto for cheap. Replaced spark plugs with TR55s, NGKs. Replaced my paper filter on my zip tie mod with a K&N, or actually it's a I forgot the brand, but it's a cheaper one. So it's not a super aggressive cam. It's not like XCR lobes or nothing. Although it sounds pretty lopey. Some will sound more than lopey than others. I think that's with the tune. So a few things I did besides as I did the cam, I replaced all the gaskets. Of course, I didn't use any of the old gaskets. This car's almost 20 years old. Although it has 28,000 miles on it, everything gets old. So I did the red performance wires. Kind of hard to see. Sorry about that. I put NGK TR55 spark plugs. I did a few other things. So this is just pretty much a quick video of, just me telling you that I put the cam in. I'm all done, and you're gonna hear the differences. I'm gonna do a modification on the exhaust. It's a little too quiet. I have a full MagnaFlow exhaust, but it's a XL series, so it's super quiet. It came with the car. So I'm going to do a bypass mod on the exhaust, and I'll let you guys hear that as well. So here's a nice little video of the cam, and this is not a cold start. It's already warmed up. No cold start. It's not tuned, and this is how it's going to sound. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Once it's tuned, I'll do another video, and I'll do the bypass mod, and I'll show you another video as well. All right, you guys have a good one.